There was a young lady who worked so hard, but at the end of every month she had nothing to show for. She was living from paycheck to paycheck, and most of the time she was actually living in minus. She was very committed, but by the end of every month she was broke. And one day she realized that the reason was because she only had one source of income. Guess what? And that lady was me. When I realized that I only had one source of income, that was when I said, no, I can't continue to live like this. I decided that I was going to make a change. How it all started was because I listened to somebody on YouTube. She said she was 23 and she was able to make $23,000 by the end of that month. And that really struck me. I said, wow. And she was making that money on the online space. I had no idea at that time that people were even able to make money on the online space. But her testimony encouraged me. And that was when I stepped out. I was like, let me figure out how to also make money on the online space. And overcomers, from that time, it's been 7 years ago when I stepped out, I started learning. And now I've learned so many different skills. I've built multiple streams of income on the online space, and I no longer work for anybody. I work for myself by God's grace. So in this video, I want to share with you 7 different income streams that you can start. They are not in any order. So I'm going to share with you, as you watch this video, look at the one that is easier for you and start with that one. And all these income streams, they are things that I am personally doing. So the first one I'm going to share with you is trading. So when it comes to trading, you can buy and sell shares, you can buy and sell contracts, you can sell crypto, you can sell bonds. There are so many different things that you can sell on the online space. And I stepped out and I began to learn. I started by doing penny stocks. After that, I went to options, then I did stocks, then currently I trade futures. So I have a different channel that is on future trading, and I'm going to put in the description box down below. You can check it out if you are interested in trading. But trading is one of the things that give me the highest amount of money that I make, because sometimes by 7 a.m. I've already made $1,000. But overcomers, one thing that I want you to know is that it did not start like that. I started by losing. I started by learning. It took me a while to be able to get to the point where I am today. But I could only get to this point because I stepped out and I began to learn. So what is my encouragement to you? My encouragement is that if that's something that you are interested in, you can start by learning. The second business model that I want to share with you is creating digital products. So what is digital products? Like anything that you sell on the online space, right? That somebody doesn't need to buy and get a physical product. For example, let's say I upload a course somewhere on the online space, or I have a book that you can just click buy and you have that document and you are able to start consuming it. That is a digital product. So I have created so many different digital products on the online space by just sharing the things that I already know. For example, I can decide now, like this video that I'm creating, I can create a digital product walking you step by step how you can do everything that I'm explaining in this video. So that is how digital products work. When you have any knowledge, you can package that knowledge into a digital product and then sell it to somebody who needs that information. Not just information, something who needs that transformation. That's one thing that I want you to always remember, that when you are doing digital product, it's not just information that you are giving people. You are giving them a transformation. You are able to help them to leave from point A and get to point B. So if you are selling a product, you must be giving value in that product that will be able to transform lives. The next income stream that I want to share with you is starting a YouTube channel. I have been able to start many different channels, and I have faceless YouTube channels, and I've shared with you on this channel my journey. I've shared many different businesses. I've shared with you different faceless channels that you can actually start. It's an amazing thing for you to do, because when it comes to YouTube, right, as you have a YouTube channel, even if the AdSense money that you have is not that much, but guess what? You are driving traffic from your YouTube channel to your products. So if you have a digital product, for example, now through YouTube, you are able to drive traffic from your YouTube channel to your digital product. So that is a secret that many people use on the online space. In this digital season in which we live, I just believe that everybody is supposed to have some kind of online presence. Even if you go to look for a job now, right, guess what happens? They Google you up to see the kind of thing that you are sharing on the online space. Assuming that you have something where you are sharing value guess what? You are already a top candidate, because that is the season in which we live. So every other business that you start, you can fit that business through your social media presence. The next business model that you can start is coaching and mentorship. So now that skill that you have learned, that thing that you already know, that challenge that you have gone through, that painful situation that you have overcome, guess what? There is somebody who is 1 year behind you, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years behind you, who is going through that thing. Now you can create a space where you can help people go through those situations. Now maybe it's financially, somebody is struggling financially, and you can help them hold their hand so that they can come out of that financial situation. Somebody might be struggling with overweight, right? You can help them, and you have already gone through it. You can help them come out of it as soon as possible. Somebody might be struggling to take care of their skin, maybe their face. Let's say somebody is having like acne, and you have gone through it. You used to have acne, and now you have overcome it. You can help them to be able to solve that problem. And how do you do this? You can do this through coaching. You can do this through mentorship. I have a student that I've helped. This person used to work full-time, but this person, when they gave birth, they wanted to preserve their breast milk, but they didn't know how to do it. They struggled. They went through many different stages looking for where to be able to get that information, and the struggle that they went through, it was very difficult. And when this person went through that situation, guess what? That person understood the entire process, step by step. This is what I did, this is what I did. And now this person packaged that information in a course, and now I had to help this person to package this information in a course. And now this person is making passive income from that course that they have packaged. How did it happen? They had to go through that experience, and after they had that experience, they are able to share their knowledge now through a book. You can do digital product with that, you can do a course with that, and you can do mentorship and coaching. So that is how you can take a single idea like that and build multiple streams of income just from that idea. So coaching is just something. So what is the difference between coaching and digital products? So when it comes to digital products, somebody can buy it and use it step by step, right? And when it comes to coaching, you walk that person through, you help them, you help them through it step by step, show them the things that they need to know. And that is the difference. So overcomers, these are different streams of income that you can begin to do on the online space. So the next income stream that you can start is Amazon KDP. Not just Amazon KDP, you can sell your books. There are many places where you can sell books, and I've shared so many of those places here for you. And I've shared so many of those places on this channel. So one thing that I want you to know is that don't just create a book because you see somebody showing you how to create a book. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to create a coloring book, right? Let me give you an example. Imagine the previous example that I used, telling you about this woman who started her coaching business from the experience that she had. This woman, if she wants to make a coloring book, even though she has learned step by step how to make coloring book, she cannot just create any kind of coloring book, say for example for children, because that is not her niche. Her niche is helping these women who have just given birth to be able to preserve their breast milk, right? Now if she wants to create a coloring book, she can create a coloring book that is like a mother and a daughter, a mother breastfeeding, a mother, like she can create a coloring book for that niche. You see how it works? So she will not just create any kind of coloring book. She will create a coloring book that is going to give value to her audience. And that is the easiest way for you to be able to build, because the same people who are buying your products, they will also be the ones interested in that coloring book that you have created. So always remember that your things, your products need to give value. So overcomers, if you are enjoying this video so far, I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that I want to give value, and go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers. I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. And if you are struggling in any way, you can go ahead and go to our website. It is called Elevated Life. There our whole goal is to help you elevate, because we see what God has done through our own life, and now God has picked me from nothing and He has made me who I am today. My goal is to give back to my community, to be able to help you to also elevate. So go ahead and go to our website. There is so much free information there. Check and then see the things that can help you. So the next thing I want to talk about is print on demand. Print on demand is another amazing business that you can start, and you can actually start with no capital. So when it comes to print on demand, what you do is that you create a design. So after you create that design, you can put on something like a t-shirt, you can put like on a mug. If you go to our website, you will see we are going to be selling our own print on demand products that are related to the Elevated Life brand. So go ahead and check them out. You can even buy them just so that you want to even see how these print on demand products look, you know, so that when you are creating yours, you know exactly how this works. So print on demand, you just need to create your design, and I've shown so many videos. I'm going to put all the videos that are related to this video in the description box down below. You can go ahead and start your print on demand business. Create any design that you want. Go to a print on demand platform. Most common ones are Printify and Printful. Go ahead and create an account there. Then take this design that you have created and put on that print on demand product. Now this is how it works. You are going to connect it to somewhere, let's say TikTok, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, Shopify, anywhere that you want to sell your product, and you can still sell this same product in all these places. And so what will happen is that if somebody buys your product, then the print on demand platform is going to print out this product and ship it directly to your customer. That is why it becomes so passive, because you don't do so much again after you have created your product. The print on demand service handles everything for you. So the 7 business model that I want to share with you is affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest that anybody can start. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own product. So you need to go to a particular website, let's say a product that you have actually used. Let's say, for example, I'm using this phone, right? I want to start promoting this phone. What will I do? I'm just going to tell people that this is the phone I use, and now I'm going to take the link of this phone, I'm going to put it under my description, or I'm going to share it with people. If anybody click on that link and buy that phone, guess what will happen? That company is going to give me a commission. It's just like, thank you for referring this person to this product. The good thing about it is that these are people who are already willing to buy a phone. They are already willing to buy this product. So your goal is just to put that product in front of them so that they can click and buy, and then you get this commission. Now I've shared with you 7 different business models that you can start. I want to encourage you that you should not start with everything. Start with one of them. Build this one. Go through this video if you need to go through so many times and see which one you really resonate with. Now if you need help, go ahead and check out our website. If you need help, you can go ahead and contact us, and we have also created a community, and I'm going to have that community down in the description below, where we can help you to be able to accomplish these goals if you are struggling, if you need any extra help. When you start with one, you build it, you grow it, you see how you are making money, right? You can now take this money and now start developing others. But I want to encourage you to not do too many things at the same time, because it's going to get you confused. I started with one, and as I started, I grew to build these other multiple streams of income. So overcomers, hopefully you have learned something from this video. I wish you all the best on your journey. I want to encourage you to go ahead and check out this next video, and from there you'll be able to learn a business model that you can start. So I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself